lovers, welcome to Enchanting Eyes, where every week we bring you cruelty-free makeup tutorials. Today's video is a little bit different. I thought I'd change things up a bit, seeing as we are at the beginning of a brand new year. I thought I'd show you my bullet journal for 2019, what's inside of it, what I like to do, and why I love bullet journaling. Bullet journaling. So if you'd like to see what's inside my bullet journal, then keep on watching. Alright, so to start my bullet journal off for the year, I like to do my front page with my birthdays, and then I take this information and I put it into my months for the year. So at the beginning of a month, I'll insert everyone's birthdays, which I'll show you later. But it's a nice quick thing for me to look at the beginning of the year, so for a quick glance. Following on from that, I have my New Year's resolution right at the front of my journal as well, so that it's easy to find and also so that I can go back to it and revise and see where I'm at with the list. Then I have a wish list for myself and for my husband, and this is actually a new addition to my bullet journal this year. I didn't have it in my bullet journal last year, but I found that I was making notes on my phone and like odd little places of things that I wanted and things that he wanted, for example for birthdays or anniversaries, etc. So I just decided to make a page for each of us, and I can add things to the list when we both have ideas. Following on from that, I have my makeup wish list. So let's actually add some things in that we'd like to get this year. Okay, and then I have a page for Unisa, for my studies, for all my timetables and dates and any reminders for myself. And then I have a books to read page. I'm an avid reader, I love reading. So this is my list of books that I want to read, and when I want to read a new book I can just come and have a look at that. And then I have some things for school. Okay, and then this is my self-love and positive vibes page. And I've got a blank page to continue with it. I actually started a Pinterest board for quotes like this, and they're on my favorites on my phone, and I actually thought it would be really nice to have a page like this, especially if you're at work and you're having an anxious day, or I don't know, you're feeling a little bit down, go and read something, pick yourself up and continue on with your day. And now we start at the beginning of our month. So every month I have a cover page with a little drawing that I've done, followed by a page with the dates of the month as well as the corresponding day. I have a column for personal and I have a column for work. So look, it was Kaylee's birthday recently. And then I've got people's birthdays. Hey, tattoo appointments, incoming video maybe. And then I have a page for each individual day of the month where I can put in more detail about my day. And each month I sort of do little themes. So this month, in the beginning of the year, I was just trying out a few little designs. And then I also have a page for my tasks and goals and any notes. So changed my name to Greenberg finally, and what else I have? How much weight I want to lose, how many park runs, my gym goals, etc. And then we move on to February, and this is my cover page. Once again, I have my personal, my work, and then I change the layout to do my task, goals, and notes separately. Also, if you're wondering what I highlighted with, I use the Stabilo Boss Original Pastels, and these are really cute for bullet journaling, just for a little bit more subtle, cute look as opposed to your normal neon highlighters. So this is definitely one of my favorite pages of the year so far that I've done. All my designs, some of them are original and some of them are things that I've copied off of Pinterest, or I've just combined the two. So this is May, and I love cactuses. I think I got the obsession from my mother. And then this is my other favorite, June, and I got this design off of Pinterest, and I just changed up the font myself. Alright, so Kaylee has very kindly offered to insert my Pinterest details and my bullet journal page, and then you can get some inspiration for yourself if you'd like to create your own bullet journal. As you can see, some of the days I haven't finished, but I wanted to get the cover page in, and then my personal and work pages so that I can insert future dates quickly. And then when I have more time, when I'm sitting in front of the TV relaxing, then I go and fill in all the individual dates for the month. And here is where I have gotten up to in my bullet journal for my cover pages for the month for October. So I am going to do November and December with you guys today. Okay, so this is the design I'm going to do for November. I'm just going to do the month with the dream catcher, and I thought this would be really cute because all of my pages have the full name like November, October, and this one just had the numericals for it, so I thought that was really cool. Also, what I really like to do with my bullet journal is that I have more of a loose style in terms of lettering and drawing, and I don't use a protractor or do anything perfect. I just really like to have fun with my bullet journal, and if it's a mistake, just turn it into something else really. And I'm using a big intensity fine liner. Okay, and then to fill in, I'm using the Artline calligraphy pen in number 1. Okay, so in this design, instead of this little detail pattern work I have around the circle, I'm going to add in some leaves, and then I'm going to continue with the feather pattern. Okay, to color in my leaves, I am going to use these Copic, I don't know how you say this, chow, I want to say chow, but it is these brush pens, and one side it has a medium broad liner like this, and on the other side is the brush tip, super fine. And the great thing about these pens is that when you color in, they don't leave any line marks behind. It just dries like solid flat. So I've got 1,000,001 colors of these. I love these. And then I also am going to be using the good old Sharpies, and these are the fine point ones, and I also have 1,000,001 colors of these. Also, I don't worry about coloring through to the next page. I just stick pages together. To write important things in my diary or to color with. Also, I use these pens a lot to color in my coloring in books. My little adult coloring in books are the Stabilo, what are these called? They're just like fine liners really, and I've got all the colors you can imagine. And what I really like about these is that they don't really go through the page a lot. So if you're worried about things like that, then these are definitely great, and I love these for coloring in books, because that I don't want them to go through the page, so that doesn't mess the design on the next page. So these are really cool as well. Okay, so there you have November. As you can see, that didn't take me that long, and yeah, I can just add more to it if I want as I go. And I really enjoy doing these color pages because it always just makes my months feel a little bit more exciting and less intimidating and nice and colorful. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for weekly videos, and let us know in the comment section below if you'd like to see more hand lettering videos or updated bullet journal pages or anything more creative and anything literally at all. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. See you next week.